Morning everyone, John for Popeyes Postcards. We're going to do our daily what sold video. These are the postcards that sold on January, I always forget this, 17th, 2022, and today's the 18th. So as you can see on the screen, only 16 orders, $128. I did sell one card at HIP, and I think that was $8, so 17 orders, $136. So let's go ahead and get into it. First one, Cuba. This is Havana, Cuba, National University. Real photo, 1940s. You can, at least I've been able to sell postcards from Cuba. In fact, there are over 6,000 Cuban postcards for sale on eBay right now. I think it has something to do, the ones you cannot sell, it has something to do with the 1950s. I don't remember my history on this. Embargo. I just can't remember. Bay of Pigs invasion, what year that was, but that's, I believe it's cards before that date are permittable, and then cards after that date are not. I could be 100% wrong on that, but that is my understanding. Anyway, here's the real photo of a university in Havana, and it sold for $8.99. Next, Steamship. Is it Newson? I'll say Newson. Leaving Martha Vineyard, Massachusetts, circa 1940s. I believe this also came in a big ship lot that I paid about 70 cents average per card. $8.75 for this card, best offer. Pennsylvania, Philadelphia Zoo, rhinoceros, rhino, 1950s. This is a chrome card, published by the zoo itself by the looks of things. Best offer of $5. Next, Hollywood, California, circa 1940. Street View, Hollywood and Vine, Owl, Drugs, Cars. Best offer of $5. I've sold this one probably 20 or 30 times. There's the, let me get my head out of the way. 1947 is the publication date. So there's that, $5. Next, this is Hyde Park, Vermont, county building, real photo, 1910s. There's that. And there's the back. And $14 best offer. Next, World War I, SS Plattsburgh Jewish Welfare Board, 1919 soldier mail cancel. So as I mentioned in a previous video, wow, I really should have cleaned my scanner lens. Look at all that, those lines. Oof. As I said in the previous video, during World War I, the Jewish Welfare Board published these postcards for free for the soldiers to use, pretty much as a, hey, well, here, I'm going to camp wherever this is, somewhere in New York. So they just got out, you know, the war just ended, they're on their way back. This person sailed on the USS Plattsburgh, as shown on the front, and they could send this mail for free back to their family, let them know that they're back home safe and sound. Usually, at least in World War II, soldiers had to write free in the stamp box. Here, the Jewish Welfare Board, when they printed these, took care of that, and I don't think I've ever seen this cancel before with the squashed eagle and the stars and the military post office soldiers mail cancel. I didn't even notice that when I listed it. Anyway, $12 best offer on that card. Next, Albuquerque, New Mexico, Dutch Motel, Route 66, circa 1950s linen. There's that. $7.50. Palm Beach, Palm Springs, California, aerial tramway mount station. So there's that. And that one sold for $4. This is one of those state map greetings from Florida, showing all the cities and attractions and bathing beauty. 1940s-ish linen, $1.99. It says I have no copies of this. I have probably 100 or more of these, so we will relist that. Next, large letter greetings from Altoona, Pennsylvania, circa 1940s. That's Hershey Curve. Used to visit that as a child on field trips. Kind of neat if you're a kid who likes trains. $3.99 for that card. This is Antigo, Wisconsin, seen on the Eau Claire River, 1909. And that sold for $7.99. Another large letter greetings. This is from Asbury Park, New Jersey. I had a couple of these, both sold. Bought these in a lot, overpaid for this particular one. Some of the other cards that came in the lot, definitely underpaid for. But $6.99 for that large letter greetings. Next, West Covina, California, El Dorado Motor Inn Motel, circa 1950s. There's that. And $8.99. Next, Camden, New Jersey, JB Van Sciver, I don't know, company, furniture factory store. Best offer of $5. Looks like it was torn out of something. Yeah, it was some type of mail reply card. $5 for that card. Dunsmuir, California, Oak Low Motel. There's that. $5.99. World War II humor airman with bomb tagged for Tokyo. Bundles for Hirohito. There's that. I don't know if that's artist signed on the bottom or not. Keep them flying. That is not artist signed. $7.99 for that card. Last one on eBay, World War II Era wax, which is Women's Army Air Corps. Women's Auxiliary, oh, there it is. Women's Auxiliary, not Army. Army Corps in review, 1940s. I need to read my own title. There's that. Sold for $9.99. This is from Private Selma Cowan, Army Admin School. Aunt Belle, Uncle Sam, and Sylvia. There, if you want to read that. Oh. Very neat. I think when I got this card, I tried to look up this person, and I don't think I was able to find her. Interesting to see what happened to that person after the war, or during the war. And the last one I sold, another card over on HIP. Still not sure if HIP is still worth it. We'll see how the month ends. But this is a Valentines Card woman playing a lute. And why is that? There it is. There's that card, and it sold for $7.99. Okay, slow sale day yesterday, but I'm okay with that. Still $130-some on, what, 15 orders? Something like that. Anyway, I thank you for watching. Got a lot of good stuff coming up here in the near future, so if you've not subscribed, please hit the subscribe and the like button and all that good stuff. Thank you for watching.